Welcome back to another cosplay video where you can see me slowly but steadily getting insane, while hopefully crossing off another cosplay from my ever so long cosplay list. Right now, we are tackling part 2 of our Mawaru Penguindrum cosplay. And oh my god, am I ready to burn this cosplay in a bonfire.
Is it practical? No.
I will never be able to store this.
I have this band here. So what we're gonna do, we'll just put a little bit of band here, like so. And the lace and frills will be good, like from here, it will just hang down. A little bit of modesty shield, because my backside will be out and about. Will be amazing.
Quick note, butt was not out. I'm that good.
But I think I have two, not enough of this band, so I need to make some myself.
But little did she know that all her hard work was in vain. This will be fun. You have a rectangle. You cut it diagonally. You sew it back together. Iron it. Perfect. You did good. Draw stripes upon the damn thing, like 4 centimeters wide or so, I don't know. Pin the thing along the stripes, like so. Sew along the pins. Boom. You have a tube. Iron it. Now, cut along the stripes, like so. Boom. Now you have a damn long band. Iron it. You get bias binding. So, after you sold your soul to the devil, you probably achieve such ruffles here. What you're gonna do now is just pin those ruffles on the white lining.
3 hours later.
So, welcome to our, cosplay endeavors day. I don't know which day it is already. I'm still not finished. Let me show you what the problem is, actually. Let me show you. So, this is one of those floppy parts that is on both sides of the costume. The pinkish band on its own isn't the problem here. What the problem is, this frigging material. It is horrible. It is horrible. In terms of sewing, this material is dumb. And I know. I put it upon myself. I know what I did. But nevertheless, I want to complain right now. This fabric is pure evil. Pure evil, I tell you. I have plan A and plan B. Plan A is...
I toss plan A. Get out of here, plan A.
I think I will use plan B. Plan B entails, once again, I would remove this pinkish part completely and toss it away and take the fabric from which I made this band, and then I will snip out a piece of band that is already tailored on those edges, and then simply sew it on and try to hide the raw edges with a fancy band of some sort. I don't have a fancy band right now, but I tried to search for one, and hopefully I will find something to conceal all this mess.
You got it? We got it. Perfect. Let's move on.
I will just simply try it, and you will see me either suffer or finally succeed. I wish I could succeed. You see that? This is my plan B. We just have to see this. I already painted it in. So the only thing that I have to do is to snip it out exactly on the mark so that I can sew it on directly on this skirty part. Oh my gosh. Now we will just sew with the sewing machine like 1 millimeter away from this part here, and then we will just conceal it with some fancy schmancy bund. Oh, sheesh, give up. So let's go. like you can see, I'm finished with the small stuff here. You can't even see that there is some zigzagging going on. You can't see it. Wait. Yeah. Okay, if you zoom in like this, yes, you can see it. It is a lot of zigzagging going on, but nobody's gonna care. So what we will have to do, to flip everything. And now we will go on to pin this part directly here, and then we just sew through. And that's how we attach everything. Easy. There was once more a lot of pinning involved, but now we're ready for the sewing part. Oops. We'll have now to flip everything. This is a win. The only thing that we have now to do is to iron and press all those beautiful edges down. Just take your scissors and just press them against the edge. Yay! And then just iron it. So, my guys, after many attempts, I finally was able to do one part of the flippity floppity skirty thingy, whatever that thing is. I was able to achieve the thing that I wanted to achieve. It looks exactly as I wanted it to be. Finally. As you can see, I cheated a lot. I hope it will not reopen whilst wearing and shooting. I guess I will just wear it once or twice and then throw it into the garbage because I hate this thing. So, whilst my coffee is brewing, we are trying to attach those flippity floppity skirty thingies onto our corsage. So we're finally somewhere. I don't know exactly where, but we're finally somewhere. Off camera, I attached with pins the busk or the corset or whatever you want to call it to the flippity floppity skirty thing. Those are the corset strappy thingies. They're still there. It will probably bring nothing to the table, but well, okay. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna sew, and then I will just go with whatever is coming out. I'm just gonna go with it. I'm gonna run with it. I'm gonna run with it forever. I put it on, and it did seem fine to me. So, I guess it will go well.
3 hours later.
So what I'm gonna do right now is I will sew the flippity floppity skirty thingy here on the wrong side, like not the right side, the wrong side, into the corset. Yeah, boys, we are sewing. So I should just go all in like you would do in poker and hope for the best. And we are right now here. It looks atrocious, I know. It looks very atrocious. So, okay, this way it's much better to see, I guess. So, we have to cut off all this excess here, marked in white. This is where we have sewn with a sewing machine. So we have to cut this part off. Oh, there is a pin. Get off the pin, put it somewhere where you can forget it. I am cutting already and I am kind of shitting myself right now. But we have to go through there. I hope we've done it right. So at this part, we need to make a little, some kind of incisions. Yeah, that's what we need. So we are good now. We are good to go. So, and then we just flip everything out. Yeah, baby. For that, we should probably put the thing on the little puppet that I have. Wait a moment, please. So, despite all my efforts, it looks like that. Damn it. So, what it's supposed to do, actually what's supposed to do is fathom out like that. but we have no tension right now at the corsage, so it doesn't fall the way that I wanted to. So we need a little bit more support. So we have to do a little cushion or something like that. Wait, what we could also do are we put those thingies like here in hopes it will bring further stability to our concoction. It also needs to be a little bit wider open that you can see like the panty thingy here that's going on. This is the whole thing. Things are finally looking like I want them to look like. Like, you see that? If you put it in a profile, it looks perfect. Like this, look at this. It's standing the way I want it to stand. Did you remember where I suggested I could use this corset strap thingies for more stability? Well, yes, I will tell you something. I put a strap here, a strap there, and a strap inside here because it always cramped kinda open and I didn't want it to look that way. So I also put one strap here, but only here for stability. And now, finally, things look like I want them to look like. This is amazing. I have finally achieved my goal. Oh my gosh. It's been a long ride. I hate it so much that it took so long, but well. Okay, moving on. That's what we're gonna do. Just transfer it on this pen and then just cut it out. Take the netted material, do the same, cut it out, sew it together. Boom! Panties. I've cut out the first part of our penny. Like so. And then we're done. Penny! For now, we're trying to make the little choker for the cosplay. I had already clamped on those little thingies here. You can like clamp it just in. Just put those little hooks here. No, but I still need it. Those little hooks on so that I can just close it like in normal jewelry. I need a big star. Boom, baby, a star. We'll take it, we'll cut it out. It is the perfect size, I think. I'll just cut it out of foam and then we will see what we can make do with that.
I wasn't satisfied with the little foamy yellow star, so I decided to make one of EVA foam, which proved to be the much nicer one, so I stayed with that. But then I accidentally forgot to film the whole spiel with priming and dremeling and coloring, so there will be no footage of that. Sorry.
Now we're doing something else, because we need a star on our beautiful white panties, which is yellow. For some reason it is yellow, but on this side it is white. I don't know if there is a reason, but I guess in my case it is good. Okay, so let's just cut it out. Look so. It's fine. I've never used this foil ever. Like, I don't know if it works. We'll find out. But look at this beautiful star. It's perfect. Okay. We've ironed it on. Come on. Ah, look at this. Perfect. Yeah. Seems fine, seems good. I can use that foil. I forgot that I had to make some stripes here with a kind of a buttony thingy. On the reference picture, it is kind of a strange shape, but I just chose some buttons. They look also amazing, and kudos to Genie Monster, who was so kind to give them to me. I hope I will make her proud. We are finished now. It is complete. It is indeed complete. The lace looks quite nice. I will just show you the lace. It is. Look at this fine lace. Look at this.
That's all, folks. Surprisingly, and despite all the concern and complaint, I had quite a lot of fun with this cosplay. Making little transitions on TikTok and of course the mandatory cosplay photos. What can a cosplayer hope for, if not getting a true reward, finally? Yeah, it does deserve the hellfire. Question: if you want to dive into this madness that I call cosplay, why aren't you subscribed yet? That's quite suspicious if you ask me. So like and subscribe for future shenanigans. This channel needs you.